going on YouTube? Travis Thompson, Appalachian RC. Guys are out here today, cloudy, dreary day. Just got off of work, figured why not? Had my plane with me, so we'll make a video. And guys, I painted my hats last night in the nose, so I don't know if it looks any better, but we'll see, I guess. Alright guys, without further ado, let's get it going. Out of the flats. Oh yeah, guys. Bring around the big toe here, guys. Yeah. All right, guys, let's climb it. Yeah, baby, come on. Straight up, straight up. If I didn't mention, guys, I got the 120C in it again. She's happy with it. And I reckon she's happy. Man. Good, standing in the water again, guys. Oh, watching break my plane, looking at the water. Oh, mercy. Yeah. Straight up, baby. Straight up. And I mean straight up, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Man, that's so much fun. I'm coming for a landing and the wind's blowing way where I don't need it to. Man, I did not want that, guys. This might be a bad deal. I never landed this way. Man, bounce it, Travis. That's crazy, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm only gonna do that one little flight there. It's getting pretty windy out here. Well, I sure don't want to bounce her again, but anyway, guys, there you have it. Another successful flight other than the landing with the F86 from Arrows, guys, 64mm. 4S powered bird right here, guys, and it's fun. It's pretty quick too, guys. So everybody out there, enjoy. Hope y'all having a good day. Please like, subscribe, and share. God bless and safe flying, guys. Till next time, bye-bye.